in this video, we want to discuss step by step. I will take you through how to change your Solana wallet from using Solana CLI. So you have Solana CLI installed and you have a wallet as default. Now you want to change that wallet. So how do you do that? And the safest method is what I will focus on in this video. Welcome, dear friend. I'm Solomon Foske, founder of dProgramming University, a free Web3 development education platform. Please note our content are for education purpose only, not financial, trading, investment, programming or development advice into any of the platform discussed. Always do your own research. And please, we may get sponsorship, partnership, token or whatever form during, before or after creating this content, but we try as much as possible to remain unbiased and make it educative. If that agreed on, let's get right into this content. Now, as we said, we want to look at how to change Solana wallet in your CLI. So let's pull up your terminal and Solana version to first confirm that you have CLI installed. If not, there are other videos I've done. You should watch step by step to do that. Now, once you have that, the next thing I like to check is config get. So this is the current default wallet, and if we check it like Solana address, and then we check Solana address, Solana balance. You see, so this is the current wallet we have. Most time you will have id.json, but I did a previous video and guide on how to create Solana SPL token with Solana CLI step by step. So you can watch it if you have not. So that was when we changed this from the ID or something. So now let's change it back. But let me show you something inside your .config.solana. That is where by default, usually when you install Solana CLI, it will be installed inside. So, and then you have your key pair here. So this is the one that is being connected to now. If you see it, CZS1. So we want to change it back to something like this, or you want to change it back to any other wallet, or you are just creating it. So there are different ways you can do it. One, you can just create the new wallet, give it the name you want it to be, like you have this multiple one, and then switch to it. Or if maybe it's your Phantom wallet or Souffle wallet, import it. All those guides have done it, and I won't be doing that again. Check my previous video on that. So import it, create it as a separate JSON file, keep here like this, and then switch from the current one, change from the current one to it. Don't try to override, because the wallet you are overriding, you might have used it and need it later. So if you are overriding, be careful. So that's why I'm using the safest option, which is first have another wallet. As you see, I have multiple wallets, and I've told the option you can have to get them. Then you switch to it, and for you to switch to it, you need to reset this key pair. And to do that, you run Solana config. We use get then, but now we are set, you understand? And then we want to set it to so whichever this your own home, it doesn't matter, it's this that matters. So for it to be auto added, just use this sign, and then this, then which one you want to use from here. You can pick any one of the wallets you have. So I want to put it to id.json, then which isn't valid for so the usage should be, so I didn't get this correctly. Where did I miss it? Sorry, I missed. I need to add the set, then the flag, which is, I need to state out of all these things, which thing am I changing? And that's the key pair. And the short form of it is this K. That's why I'm saying the flag. So I need to let him know that I'm actually changing this key pair, not RPC or anything. So let's retry. So you see it now. If I run config get, then I have this /.id.json instead of this. And if I check the address and balance, Solana address, you see that this is totally different from this. And so the balance will be different. And this has 35 so on DevNet, so they are all free, not real money. So you can see it now compared to 3.99. So, and that is the new wallet. Anything I'm doing with my Solana CLI now will be using this wallet and not this one. So that's how you can change your Solana wallet in Solana CLI. Hope you found this helpful. If you like what I'm doing, want me to keep on, please use the donate link to support, and recommend also for partnership grant to create helpful, simplified, beginner friendly, easy to understand developer guide for your Web3 developer community to understand whatever you're building, blockchain tools on the system, Solana blockchain, EVM and all those things like that. So be it guide, you want it in course format and things, I'm always available to help your developer community grow with helpful, easy to consume and understand content, technical content. So that's it. I will see you in the next time. Solomon Foske. Keep the program sweet and alive, and please always do good to humanity and nature with your programming skill too, and not evil, to make the world and universe better place for us all. See you in the next video. Peace.